Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. We are finally here at Palaborwa Gate, and finally after 2,200 kilometers we made it all the way to the Kruger National Park. This is going to be a bit of a new series on my channel. I'm going to take you on our long traditional family vacation. We come to the Kruger National Park for as long as I can remember. So I'm looking very forward to taking you with us, showing you the route, showing you some of the scenes, some of the camps, some of the camp foods we've perfected over the years. So yeah, I'm very excited to take you on this family adventure with us. We're just going to have some lunch now and put in our pre-Kruger guesses of what we're going to see first, and check in and do all that stuff before we head off to our first campsite of the night in Barney. And then after that we're going to Singweji for the next couple of nights. But yeah, we're currently at the Palaborwa Gate, so yeah, excited to see what this next couple of days holds in for us. So come join our family on vacation.
Wat is die eerste diere waaroor rook daar is gesien?
Zebra.
Olifant.
Kameelperd. Hektiek, daar is 'n interessante keuse.
Dis nie net my regte keuse.
Waarna verander jy dit?
Ek wil sê kuddes.
Ja, gaan ons met kuddes? Kuddes, okay. thanks for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe for more Kruger content. Yeah, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.